Hi, I'm Dr. Jennifer Schaumberg. I'm a oral maxillofacial surgeon for Implant Center of Miami. I've been practicing oral surgery since 2004, so 18 years. I love working for Implant Center of Miami in the Coral Springs and the Lighthouse Point location, so I can take wonderful care of all of our patients at all of our offices. So a case that I'm particularly proud of is a particular patient of mine who is having wisdom tooth pain on and off for years upon years. Their dentist, in a well-meaning attempt to help things, would give them antibiotics, and then the teeth would cool off and they'd go back to school, or it was a bad time or a busy time. And as it turns out, the kid was finally halfway through their first year of college, and they were not local for college. And the time had come where the person was so swollen that the wisdom teeth absolutely needed to come out. So I referred them to an oral surgeon up where their school was, and they went to see the oral surgeon and the parents, and the kid said absolutely not, and they flew back down to South Florida for me to take out their wisdom teeth. I used their super secret chicken protocol. I put the cream on the arm. I used nitrous oxide, didn't even realize the IV went in. The IV went in the arm, patient went to sleep, took out the wisdom teeth on a Friday. I saw them on Sunday after hours at the office, flew them back up to school on Monday, and then I got the phone call. The phone call you dread. Oh my God, what's the problem? The problem is they're irritated that they spent 2.5 years worrying about these wisdom teeth, when all this time it really only took them 1 day to get it handled. The parents weren't thrilled that they spent a fortune to fly their kid down to South Florida when they could have handled it over the last 2.5 years. I was very, very proud of the patient because they overcame their fears, but I was even more proud of the fact that a year later when they cracked a tooth, they called me up right away to handle it, asked to be sedated, and took care of it no problem. Didn't even need the cream, didn't even need the nitrous, because they realized it was no problem. So if you have any problems or any dental concerns, specifically as it relates to extraction of teeth, implants, or wisdom teeth, or sedation for any of your procedures, all you have to do is call the office, and any questions I'm happy to answer.